Hi guys. Welcome to Haven on Earth. We made some progress this week. We have been working on our perimeter fence, which is still a work in progress. And in the meantime, we got the goats their own section that's completely fenced off. So here's the goat's pen, and this is created with all cattle panels and some gates. And then we lined it as well with chicken wire to keep the ducks and the chickens in. And then we were able to fence in this section, which they can roam around in during the day, graze, exercise. So now they have this whole big space to roam around. And right now it's the only area that's completely fenced in on our property. So it's great for the dogs. We also moved the chicken coop in here because we have a lot of loose dogs in the area and they're a big problem. So now the chickens are in the completely fenced in area and much safer. So at night and when we're gone, we'll keep the goats in their pen, but during the day they get to hang out in this space all day long. And we do put them up at night and when we're gone, just because this is only welded wire and goats will push on it. They'll get out from underneath it, they'll mangle it, whereas their pen is completely cattle panel, so that will keep them safe. And this morning I was trying to figure out where I'm going to put my bench, and I think I'm going to put it right around this tree so I have views from every angle. And my plan was not to put the chicken coop in here with the goats because goats can be very destructive, but we do let the chickens out and then keep the door open so they're not jumping on it and trying to destroy it. But mainly we had to put the coop in here because this is fenced and it's to keep the chickens safe. And the coop I'm still working on. Getting this space finished was a huge relief. Just for security, peace of mind, we can be in here, we can be at peace. And it's allowed me to have my peaceful mornings back. It's super nice for the dogs too, so they don't have to stay cooped up in this little yard. Which has all just been temporary while we wait for our house to close. Good morning, ladies. I forgot their food. This is the goat's new space.